Are hidden Microsoft features quietly destroying your FPS without you realizing it? In this video, I'll show you the Windows features you should disable for higher FPS and smoother gaming performance. By the end of this guide, your system should feel faster, smoother, and far more optimized for gaming. So guys, first, press the Windows key, type PowerShell, then find PowerShell in the search results. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator so we can access advanced system commands. Once the PowerShell window opens, type the following command, Get-MMAgent. Now, press Enter on your keyboard. This command displays several Windows memory management features currently enabled on the system. Look through the results and find the section called Memory Compression. If the value shows true, that means memory compression is currently active on your PC. If it's enabled, type the following command, Disable-MMAgent-MC. Then press Enter again to apply the change. This disables Windows memory compression, so the CPU no longer wastes processing power, constantly compressing and decompressing RAM data in the background. Think of memory compression like trying to vacuum pack clothes every single time you put them into storage. You save a little space, but constantly packing and unpacking everything takes extra time and effort. By disabling memory compression, your RAM stays fully accessible at all times, allowing the CPU to focus more on gaming performance and maintaining smoother frame times. Now guys, press the Windows key, type Group Policy Editor, and open it from the search results. Once the window opens, look at the folder list on the left side, because we're going to navigate through several sections step by step. First, open Computer Configuration. Then, open Administrative Templates. After that, open System. Next, open Power Management. Then click Power Throttling Settings. Now, on the right side of the window, locate Turn Off Power Throttling and double-click it to open the settings window. Once the configuration window appears, change the setting to Enabled. This forces Windows to stop dynamically slowing down processes in the background. After changing the option, click Apply, then click OK to save the setting. Think of power throttling like someone constantly lowering your car's engine power while you're trying to maintain speed during a race. Even small reductions in power can make the car feel inconsistent and unstable. By disabling power throttling, your CPU is allowed to maintain full performance more consistently, helping games run smoother with fewer random slowdowns. Alright guys, now before we continue, just look at this comparison on the screen. This is my gameplay before optimization, and this is after. Smoother gameplay, higher FPS, and way better responsiveness. Now normally, getting results like this takes hours of tweaking Windows, NVIDIA settings, background services, and registry edits manually. That's exactly why I built TweakShift. On the website, you'll find two versions. First is the classic TweakShift Windows optimization tool, which gives you manual performance tweaks with a simple one-time payment. And then there's the new TweakShift AI engine, which automatically scans your hardware, detects your game, and applies optimizations based on what your PC actually needs, whether that's higher FPS, lower input delay, or fixing stutters. The AI version comes with flexible subscription plans and also includes a free trial so you can test it yourself first. Just go to tweakshift.com, link in the description, download it like a normal Windows app, and start optimizing your PC in minutes. So yeah, if you want a faster and smoother gaming experience without manually changing hundreds of hidden settings, definitely give TweakShift a try. Now guys, press the Windows key, type Indexing Options, and open it from the search results. Once the Indexing Options window opens, click the Modify button. Inside the list of index locations, start unchecking folders that don't need indexing, such as downloads, game folders, extra storage drives, and large desktop folders with many files. Removing these locations prevents Windows from constantly scanning massive directories in the background. After unchecking the unnecessary folders, click OK. Now back in the main Indexing Options window, click Advanced. Inside the Advanced window, press Rebuild. This forces Windows to recreate the search index using only the remaining selected locations. Once that finishes, we're going to completely stop the indexing service itself. Now press the Windows key, type Services, and open the Services application from the search results. Once the Services window opens, scroll down until you find Windows Search. Double-click Windows Search to open its Properties window. First, locate Startup Type and change it to Disabled. This prevents the indexing service from automatically starting again in the background. Next, click the Stop button. This immediately stops Windows Search from scanning files and using storage resources. After making both changes, click Apply, then click OK to save everything. Think of Windows indexing like having someone constantly walking through a warehouse, counting and organizing every box over and over again. That activity creates movement and interruptions even when nobody actually needs anything from the warehouse. By disabling indexing, you stop those constant background scans, so your storage drive can focus entirely on games and active applications instead of repeatedly checking files. Now guys, that we've removed several hidden Windows network limits, the next step is stabilizing your connection routing with GearUp Booster. To get started with GearUp Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GearUp Booster interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. You can also enter the special code shown on screen to unlock a free trial of the Pro features. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now, go to the Node tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using Gear Booster. Now guys, press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and open Control Panel from the search results. Once the Control Panel window opens, click Hardware and Sound. Inside Hardware and Sound, click Power Options. This will open the Windows Power Management settings. Now, on the left side of the window, click Choose what the power buttons do. After opening that page, look near the top and click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. This unlocks the Shutdown Settings section so we can modify the hidden options. Scroll down until you see the Shutdown Settings section. First, locate Turn on Fast Startup and uncheck it. This forces Windows to perform a full, clean shutdown instead of partially hibernating the system state. After disabling the option, click Save Changes to apply everything. Think of fast startup like putting a messy room into standby mode instead of properly cleaning and resetting it. At first, it seems faster because everything is still partially left in place, but over time, small issues and clutter start building up. By disabling fast startup, Windows fully resets itself every shutdown, which helps improve system stability and keeps gaming performance more consistent. Alright guys, now press the Windows key, type Registry Editor, then find Registry Editor in the search results. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator so we can safely apply the registry change. Once the Registry Editor window opens, look at the address bar near the top. Now, copy the exact registry path from the video description. Paste it into the address bar and press Enter. This will instantly take you to the correct registry location without manually navigating through folders. After the registry path loads, move over to the right side where all the registry values are listed. Find the value called Network Throttling Index and double-click it to open the editor window. Now set the value to 8 times F. Before saving, make sure the value format is set to hexadecimal. This ensures Windows correctly reads the value as a hexadecimal instruction instead of a normal decimal number. After confirming everything, click OK to save the change. This disables Windows' network throttling behavior and allows the system to process network traffic more aggressively, which can help improve latency consistency and responsiveness during online gaming. Think of network throttling like putting a speed limiter on a race car. Even if the engine is capable of going faster, the limiter prevents it from reaching full performance. By removing that limit, the car can respond more freely and maintain speed more consistently. That's it, guys. If this guide helped improve your FPS and smoothness, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more optimization guides.